Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device through the screen lock password. So in such case, try entering the password that worked for you the last time, and if it doesn't work for you, then to make sure that your phone isn't lagging and no third-party application affecting entering your password, you'll have to open the safe mode. And to go into the safe mode, first hold down the power key and volume down button at the same time until your device shuts down. So keep holding it down for a while, usually about 10 seconds. And once your phone is turned off, simply press the power key for a while, and once the Samsung logo appears on your screen, start holding down the volume down key. Okay, let me try once again. Okay, let me hold down the power key. Your phone should vibrate. Maybe try. Okay. And then once you see this logo, hold down the volume down key for a while until your phone boots up, and it will boot up into the safe mode. And once it boots up into the safe mode, you'll be able to re-enter the password once again. Okay, right now we are in a safe mode, so let's try entering the password that worked the last time. And if it works for you, then you'll be able to access your settings. And in the settings, go to the lock screen, screen lock and biometrics, enter your password, press continue and select none to remove lock screen lock password. Then hold down volume down key with the power button, select restart your phone and wait until it's rebooted, and then you'll be able to regain access to your device once again. Now if you do not if you didn't succeed entering the password in the safe mode, then in such case you'll have to first contact Samsung customer support service, and if you can prove the ownership of this device to them, they will most likely help you recover the access to your smartphone without the need of removing any personal data or files from your smartphone. Now if this option didn't work for you, then the only way to regain access to your device is by performing a factory reset operation. Now the easiest way to perform factory reset operation is to do it locally. To do that, you'll have to enter the recovery mode on your device and perform factory reset using the recovery mode. But if you don't know how to use it, how to go there, or how to manage it, navigate it, etc., we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset on Galaxy XCover7 Pro. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And the other way to perform factory reset is by using Google services or Samsung services. If you have Samsung or Google account connected to your device and you didn't manually disable Find My Device feature on your phone, then you can access either Find Help service by Google using any other of your devices, or Samsung Find My service. Then log into either to your Google or Samsung account, select your device on the list in both in one of this websites. Then select factory reset and wait until your phone is fully reset. And once it is, you'll be able to set up your device as a new one and regain access to it. And that's it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.